Hello, in this video we'll be looking at reinforcing and stiffening. Laminated timber beams are an example of an engineered wood product. They are manufactured from layers of parallel timber laminations, normally of softwoods like pine or spruce, although hardwoods can be used. The sawn timbers are selected for strength before being glued together, with the grain running in line with the laminates. Knots reduce the strength of the timber so they are evenly distributed throughout. This means the beams are able to withstand high stresses. Manufactured boards such as plywood are much stiffer than natural timber. Plywood is a laminated board made up of several veneers of wood glued on top of each other. Each layer is laid at 90-degree angles to the last, so the grain alternates in direction. The number of layers is always an odd number, and the two outside surfaces always have the same grain running in the same direction. This arrangement of layers gives plywood a consistent strength across the whole board. By adding more and more layers, the strength of the plywood is significantly increased. The cross-sectional area of natural timber has a direct effect on its strength. Natural timber floor joists support the first floor of your house and need to be very strong. They are much deeper than they are wide, usually around 300 mm deep and 50 mm wide. Knowledge check. Please try and answer the questions below. Can you give an example of an engineered wood product? How is engineered wood manufactured? What type of wood is used to make laminated beams? What does laminating mean? What happens to knots in the engineered wood? How is plywood made? And what happens if they add more layers of wood to the plywood? Pause the video and have a go at answering the questions now. Okay, so the answer to question 1 is laminated timber beams. Number 2, from layers of parallel timber laminations. Number 3, softwoods like pine or spruce, although hardwoods can be used. Number 4, several veneers of wood glued on top of each other. Number 5, knots are evenly distributed throughout. Number 6, laid at 90-degree angles to the last so that the grain alternates in direction. Number 7, more layers strengthen the plywood significantly.